Hello again, and welcome back to another episode of Transformation Education, and also welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cherie. I am a mobile hairdresser who specialises in rainbow colours. I'm going to show you a technique that I've been using a lot lately, which I've been just calling the horseshoe prism. It's derived from the halo prism technique, but it's just a little bit different. So I'm going to just take you through that while I actually do that on a client. And yeah, I really hope that you can give this one a try. Please don't forget to give me a like if you liked this video, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more like these. Thank you, enjoy the video. So what I've done here is just her standard regrowth. I think she had about a 12-week regrowth, and I've done a scalp bleach on her, and I've just toned it, pre-toned it before I am going to do these colours with just a champagne blonde, nothing fancy. I didn't want to ash her hair out or anything, I just really wanted to tone it so that those roots weren't going to glow on me. And you'll notice that I haven't really bothered about removing her previous colour, I'm just leaving it in there, and I'm going to prefer to just work with it rather than creating more damage. I'm thinking, you tell me what you think. How much like rainbow do you want to see? Like if I just take this little bit and make this pink and do your rainbow here, it's going to be like a lot more obvious. Yeah. Is that kind of what you were thinking? Or do you want me to like leave more?
Maybe a little bit more. Like, yeah, probably
let's
about
not scare you too much.
Yeah, yeah.
That's my communication, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the whole kind of idea is just to even out that section where it's like the new hair, otherwise you're going to grab. So if we leave that pink,
Yep.
And then you do like a rainbow like around there,
Yep.
And then the underneath, dry shampoo, not dry shampoo, pink shampoo, yeah.
Sounds good.
So we get a little bit of experimentation, but then we know what we're doing on the top.
Yep.
You've got to trust your hairdresser, right? When you
100% I
saying
do.
things like that, like, oh God, she trusts me. Notice how I'm just discussing where I plan on placing everything with my client. This is something that I will usually do. I like to involve them and just really make sure that they know what I'm doing and they're going to be happy with it. The plan for this colour is that horseshoe section in the middle is going to be the rainbow. I'm leaving that little bit of baby hair out around her hairline so that it's not going to be really bright. Pink is going to go on the top, just like a pastel pink, and for the hair that's left out underneath, we were planning on using a pink shampoo, just to experiment a little bit and see how that's going to come out. I was particularly interested to see how this pink shampoo is going to tone, considering that she's already got those few different colours in her hair, so it's really good to just experiment a bit sometimes and take calculated risks. She trusts me. how the finished result looks once the rainbow panels is applied. I'll do this in two sections, starting at the front on either side and meeting at the back, so they kind of join.
What about
How do I do
How
this?
Yeah, I've done this before. I'll start from the bottom. That'll be easiest. I get the bottom on first, then I can just lay everything and then I don't need to touch it. Comfortable? Yeah. Not really.
Once I've finished applying the pink shampoo, which was watered down a little bit as well just so that I could spread it, I'm going to start applying on the top just a nice pastel pink direct dye. And it'll be really great to compare the two results, just to see what happens. So once I'm finished putting in all the curls, I'm going to take her outside into the natural lighting and start taking some photos of the colour. I do have a tutorial available as well if you'd like to know more information about specifically how I take my photos and edit. I might just drop a link to that. And I really hope that video has just helped you get an idea of how I do these, and I really hope that you can try it out for yourself. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you, bye.